This is midterm version C. The first question. This question is the easiest possible question for pure exchange. That's why if you look at the second question in this midterm, it's the hardest possible question from all the midterms. So let's do this one. So person A only care about X, person B only cares about Y. So the only obvious possible thing is person A get all the X, person B get all the Y. So you can just write this down. And as I said, you would need some kind of explanation. So if you want to write it, it's maximizing this such that we had the other guy equal to U. So obviously you just choose 10, right? And then similarly you can write down for the other one, xb, yb, and yb such that xa is equal to U. So this does not affect this. So as large as possible, so 10. Done. So very easy. So the second one, find the demand function. So this one you actually need to do it because this is not that obvious because we need to figure out the price. So for A, we want to maximize by choosing xa, ya, xa of px. No, let's do it with just xy, x. Px plus y is equal to, what's my endowment? My endowment is 0p plus 10. So then I will buy as many x as possible. So we know xa should be, I spend all the money on x, and ya is equal to 0 because I don't need anything. So that's for A. That demand is very easy to get. So for B, I maximize y subject to the same thing. So 10p plus 0. So yb is equal to, I spend all the money on y, so the price of y is 1. So we have this, so it's just 10p. And similarly, xb is equal to 0. So that demand is very fast too. So the competitive equilibrium, so we need xa, so we need the supply equal to demand. So xa supply is 1 over 10 is plus 0. Not 1 over 10, 10 over p plus 0 is equal to endowment. So the endowment, so this is xa, this is y, this is xb is equal to the endowment 0, this is omega ax plus 10, this is omega bx. Then we know p is 1 directly, we don't even need the other one, so maybe we'll write it down, the other one. So ya plus yb, ya is 0 plus yb is 10p is 10, so omega ay, omega by plus 0, so p is a 1 again. So p is 1, xa is 10 over 1, so it's 10, xya is 0. This order is really bad. So xb is 0, yb is 10p, which is 10. So this is just the Pareto efficient. There's only one Pareto efficient point. So the third one is even easier. So you only need to write there is only one Pareto efficient point. So that one must be welfare maximizing. So the welfare maximizing one, you don't need to do anything. You just write down 10, 0, 0, 10. That is the welfare maximizing point. So the last one, it's the minimum of the two. So it's only care about the least happy person. So for this question, there's no desirability problem at all because there's only one point that works. So you can write anything you want. So usually what this minimum thing is means if there are equal utility for both people, which usually we consider it fair, so we consider it desirable. But as I said, you don't need, there's no fixed answer. If you think it's unfair, it's okay too.